Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best crochet kit is probably one of the most engaging and rewarding ways for children to explore their creativity, learn a new skill, and create something tangible with their own hands, offering a wonderful screen-free activity that fosters patience, fine motor skills, and a sense of accomplishment as they bring their colorful yarn creations to life. Number 5. The Woobles Pierre the Penguin Crochet Kit. Discover the joy of crochet with this all-in-one kit, perfect for beginners. It's a fun craft that offers a sense of accomplishment and makes thoughtful handmade gifts. This kit has everything you need to get started: pre-started yarn, a hook, needle, eyes, stuffing, and tutorials. It makes creating your own crochet accessory simple and enjoyable. Learning to crochet has never been easier thanks to our step-by-step video tutorials. This set is designed to be simpler than knitting or other beginner craft kits. Our specially made yarn is designed just for beginners. It's incredibly simple to crochet with, and the stitches are easy to see from beginning to end. Thousands of people have already learned to crochet the Woobles way, and you can be next. Our beginner kits feature adorable characters like Pierre the Penguin. What we like? This kit is perfect for absolute beginners who want a quick and easy start. If you are looking for a guided experience with pre-started yarn, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who appreciate a product that has been recognized for its innovation. What people say. The videos walk you through everything you need to know, pausing between each little step, so you don't get lost. Very cute, very bent towards success for beginners, user-friendly, clear, and encouraging. The video instructions are really beginner-friendly, slow, and easy to follow. Number 4. Mira HandCrafts 12 Acrylic Yarn Skeins Kit. Unleash your creativity with this beginner-friendly kit. It includes 12 skeins of premium acrylic yarn, offering a total of 1,312 yards in a variety of bright colors. Crafted from 100% acrylic, this yarn is both soft and sturdy. It's perfect for creating vibrant projects that maintain their color even after washing. Add a pop of color to your crafts with this beautifully dyed yarn. It's easy to care for and machine washable, ensuring your creations stay brilliant. This versatile yarn is ideal for crafters of all ages. Whether you're making amigurumi, plushies, or gifts, it's knot-free and easy to work with. Experience the perfect blend of strength and softness. This yarn is ideal for creating cozy blankets and intricate granny square projects that are built to last. This kit includes ebooks with inspiring patterns for all skill levels. It's the perfect starter set for your crochet hooks and knitting needles. What we like? If you love vibrant colors and want a generous amount of yarn from multiple projects, this is a fantastic choice. The yarn is soft, sturdy, and machine washable, making it ideal for creating durable and colorful items like blankets and amigurumi. It's perfect for crafters who want variety and longevity in their materials. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to get started, with clear instructions and pre-started pieces. The yarn is soft and easy to work with, making it suitable for small hands. The finished products are cute and can be used as decorations or small toys. Number 3. Piccassio Crochet Kit for Beginners. Embark on your crochet journey with this complete starter set. It's designed for beginners, offering everything you need to begin creating. Start creating with confidence thanks to the easy-to-follow guide. Learning to crochet becomes a delightful adventure with this kit. This set includes yarn, hooks, needles, stitch markers, and more. It has every tool you'll need to dive into your projects. Keep all your supplies tidy with the included organizer bag. Its unique design helps manage yarn tension effortlessly. Explore a wide range of creativity with 20 vibrant yarn colors. You'll have plenty of options for all your handmade creations. We prioritize your satisfaction with this beginner crochet set. Your creative journey comes with support every stitch of the way. What we like? For those who want an all-in-one solution with excellent organization, this kit stands out. It includes a dedicated organizer bag with unique yarn feeding slits, making it perfect for keeping supplies tidy and managing tension. If you value convenience and a complete set of tools for various projects, this is a great option. What people say. This is a great starter kit for anyone wanting to learn crochet. It comes with everything you need to get started, including yarn, hooks, and instructions. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for complete beginners. Number 2. Craftiloo Pre-Stamped Embroidery Kit for Kids. Introducing a fun and easy way for children to explore the art of embroidery. This kit is designed to make the learning process enjoyable and frustration-free from the very start. Unlike other kits, ours comes with colorful, pre-stamped patterns. This means kids can start stitching right away, making their first embroidery projects a success. This complete set includes everything a young crafter needs: multiple fun designs, colorful threads, hoops, needles, and threaders. Plus, easy-to-follow video tutorials are available. Embroidery is more than just a craft. It helps develop fine motor skills, sparks creativity, and teaches patience. It's a wonderful way for kids to build confidence as they create beautiful projects. Looking for a unique gift or a fun screen-free activity? This kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, parties, or just a relaxing craft session for ages 7 and up. We are committed to providing high-quality craft kits with clear instructions and support. We want to ensure every child has a positive and rewarding crafting experience. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for children looking to explore a new craft. If you're searching for a screen-free activity that helps kids develop fine motor skills and creativity, this is an excellent choice. The pre-stamped designs make it frustration-free and rewarding for younger beginners. What people say. The fabric is thick, the instructions are well laid out, and the patterns are easy and color-coordinated to floss colors. It came with everything you need to get started, and it has varying levels of difficulty. Her mother especially appreciated the QR codes, which clearly showed how to make each stitch. The kit teaches so many stitches. Number 1. Crochetta Bee Family Crochet Kit. Discover the joy of crochet with our complete beginner kit. It includes everything you need, from colorful yarns and tools to easy-to-follow instructions, to start your first project right away. We've included an extra 40% of yarn in every color. This means you can practice, experiment, and perfect your stitches without the worry of running out of material. Our beginner-friendly video tutorials make learning simple. Follow along with clear demonstrations, designed to guide you from the very first stitch to your finished creation. Craft charming bee family figures that are larger than typical kits, perfect for home decor. These pieces symbolize family love, making them a beautiful and meaningful addition to your space. Beautifully packaged in a gift box, this kit is an ideal present for anyone wanting to learn a new craft. It's suitable for all ages and perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Need assistance? We're here to help with unlimited support via email and text. You'll gain new skills and confidence with our guidance. Engage your mind and boost your creativity by learning to crochet. It's a wonderful way to practice mindfulness, relax, and unwind after a long day. What we like. If you're concerned about running out of yarn or want to create larger, more impactful pieces, this kit offers a significant advantage. The extra yarn in every color allows for experimentation and error correction, making it ideal for beginners who want to build confidence. It's also perfect for those who appreciate a meaningful family theme in their creations. What people say. The step-by-step video tutorials were like having a patient friend guiding me. They broke down each stitch in a way that even I could understand. The instructions were so clear that I found myself getting the hang of it way faster than I expected. The kit came with everything I needed, and it was all good quality. It's stuff you'd buy separately to crochet too, not just cheap stuff a lot of kits include. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.